War, them war. Them don't know who we are. We are the whole up on the stone apart.
So the anticipation of a response from Beenie Man to Dan Mafia's song, No Response to Beenie, heightens. While many fans of Dan Mafia say, yo, the artist deserves a response from Beenie, it would appear that nah go happen.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Youth, unstoppable, so now we're trained.
What going again, Unstoppable family? So people, if this is your first time to Unstoppable TV and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. So it has been a few days now since Dan Mafia dropped the big song, No Response for Beenie. And that is actually the response for where Beenie say, I talk up a bunch of things, including Dan Mafia is not an artist, he is a rhymer, and you know, all kind of things. Well, everybody has say, yo, Beenie Man should have responded to Dan Mafia, right? The fans of Dan Mafia speak up, everybody in a Dan Mafia corner and say, yo, this song bad, and was actually waiting on a response. But Beenie look like him just overlooked totally the fact that Dan Mafia even dropped a song. Well, me see some people are commenting and say, yo, in this first round, Dan Mafia 1, Beenie 0. Well, what Uno say? Me not know. But we are going to wait and see if Beenie actually are going to answer or no. But Dan Mafia say, yo, him ready for war, him ready for anything. And people, they stuck up people and we are going to dump in the comment section and talk about, yo, Uno stop set on artists and artists for war. Just be quiet, because it is called a lyrical war, not physical war. And it is a part of dancehall for years. An artist sing a song, a next artist respond, and that's how dancehall music operate. Now back to regular programming. So Mafia being the lyricist where him is, Mafia do a video just a couple hours ago and him send a message to Beenie answering a couple of the things that Beenie say. And in the video, Dan Mafia even say, yo, I will write you a song for answer me. Now upon a real, if you don't know what a low blow is, that right there was a real low blow. I wouldn't say Beenie Man can't write a song to answer Mafia, you know. No, I wouldn't say that. But we all already know why Beenie nah go answer Mafia, though. Yeah, we already know. But anyway, make we jump in and take a listen to the things them where Dan Mafia attack up right here, so.
Yeah, he write some songs.
Like them have to know, you know. And don't come tell no lie for me. Like me never do nothing in my music, brethren. You mad? So much night and so much sitting with the bleach and I do your work, brethren. Then you know remember that amnesia you have or what? Well, we have to go remind you. Because you say we can't DJ and we don't know lyrics, so we have to go split lyrics for you then. Because anytime you're this way, you have to just know say you go get a bomb. You see me? Because I don't play with nobody. I have everything lined up to give them. You see me? Boy, you want to give me a life. Boy, you have to give me a life. Give me a life. When from me a liquor, you want me a DJ and I live me own a life. Give me a life, you can't sponsor me. You think me a fish, no man can pamper me. Every time me thing rise, them want damper me. Them want style me career, them want tamper me. But Carol, you think a Christmas and a Santa me. And me good have to give you lyrics for answer me. Remember, me tell you people, me have it ready for them, what them a do, what them a do, what them a do. But me ready for drop me over long talking, you know. From when say war, then you know, cause it's either I pay for your artillery, them we want to take out the factory, you know. We don't care war man we own the factory, you know. Right then I'm just chat to Vladimir Putin over Russia, you know. And I order back the S-600 them and then we coming, you know. Right now I don't have Pyongyang, me turn up right now. I just have a meeting with Jang-un them, you know. And Trump say all system clear, me say bomb them bomb back last year. Cause mad business with them, and I come laugh with me and I come go like I come joke thing the career be. I suffer, we suffer for this time, we a liquor boy. And we fans them love we in our business, my youth. Don't come sidestep with thing and come go like we are some fool, we are just talk one thing. We are going to just give up and go lap with tail and go on like say. We are blood clot shame a dog, you know. Some boy if you know say lyrics, me no business who you be then, you know. And any other DJ when you like how me attack, just call me name then. I say me now bomb on with 16 bar. Cause a long time we not this a humble, you know. I don't know where I'm mad at, you know. So alright then, draw we out, then make we start war, cause world done mash up already, you know. Corona come mash up the world, everybody done a go dead off. So if you don't want to kill me, you don't kill me then, brother. That me I said, just kill me off then, make it world to say I want to kill me then. Cause I know that you don't love doing, you know. When man blood clot chat lyrics, you don't take it to heart and want to go kill man, you know. And right now, I'm ready for that then, you know, because if you kill me, right now, my problem will be over and your own just start. No man can diss me. Because I don't have no bad mind in the music. How me have bad mind in the music, my youth? I love every artist, brother. You see me? You can't talk about me no like Angel. Angel is my friend, my youth, and when I see Angel, I straight hug up and laughing and joy and respect. Are you and your wife have a problem and you complain to me every minute as your friend? I'm sorry back for you as my general. I say, yo, my boss. A true man, rare. We don't know what to do that. I got a family counselor. You understand? You can tell me your private life every minute. And you chat the woman with me in the dark. See it? And true, I'm sorry back for you know, you can talk about me not like your wife. And about me not like Cartel. I can't hate Cartel. Cartel, I'm a virgin. Cartel never diss me yet. I know Cartel before him bust me as a job Cartel halfway through. A bus stop at evening time, you know. Before him bust. And when you look, you know, the man bust and the man never disrespect me. I go up on stage with cuss of one another. And go out with one bag of sit now. When we reach back at the I drink, we have a drink and a smoke. And I big up Cartel and I can't talk about me hate Cartel. Nothing no go so. I don't believe so like a thing in the people and go like man a fool in this, you know. And about me hate Bounty Killer. I can't hate Bounty Killer. I know Bounty from where I lick you out of Waterhouse. And I'm Bounty kick off much time over years and Bounty Killer anytime you see me, he never diss me personally yet. Me and Bounty never have a personal confrontation unless upon stage. You see me? And you know say, a music thing that. And when music thing done with a man and we alright again. Me don't have up no artist, brother. Me not even have you up and you treat me like pussy. Cause the years I work when me do around you, brother. How much sleepless night. Write songs in your finger head hat me and give you hit songs to sing. You think a joke thing? Song, panta pa song I can't talk about me never write no song. A book me give you read off my lyrics them in a voicing room and me in a studio I tell you what you sing say. And when you look you gone in your yard and me gone in my yard with me book dog. See? And you can't talk about me never give no song. And but say but me you have to fix up song. Oh you mean then you voice the song? Me tell you what your voice say. I write song and come give you. Any song when me and you make together, I not even remember them the virgin. Because I want a song when me and you sit down and make. And anytime you find a hook, you know see me I go write the verse them. And me not care. See? And just feel no give man piece of food and deal man proper. You can't talk about you give me split. Give me splits after I done collect you all my money. I all my money then collect and then find out say. My England me go find out say me feel rich you know. After me space and come back. Them a come sign splits. Then time them my company done contact with them publishing I say them a man collect all my money already you know. And when my company link them, the man call my phone and a ball but you dog go take the whole of money. I mean I say me never know say I say go. And when me look now people, me come back to Jamaica and me steal a roll and then the man me look a big meat the man company call me in and now. And I say, alright, here are then mafia. You forget some food and next week Friday, 2 o'clock, you are going to come my office and we are going to give you $10 million. So $10 million Jamaican dollar, may I say, alright, you're going to give me that. Me no bother care about you then. So give me one and give me then. Because I'm not done blood clot with the whole of money. So, well, if you now give me back a thing, just steer me then, my general. I make me a work out back with things. Because I don't have no problem with you. I'm a bridging same way. And when I go for $10 million next week, me here say, yo, one money if you come in, you know, but you never come in and you hear me, we are going to give you 2. And I say 2, wrong blood clot number. I don't work with 2. You see me, I say a fish number that. But not them about 2 say. Yo, nobody know no secret for me, brethren. No man know no secret for me, because I don't fuck blood clot, man, you know. And from a little girl pick me play hide and seek with and dolly house with, you know. A girl pick me feel up, you know. A girl me love, you know. So me want a boy come go like me and them girl. Boy, you take care of him. Take care of pussy clot too. You take care of me. Who that take up a man and take care of them unless they do something for them people? Eh? And that me want to look into, you know. Want to share that life there, you know, people. I make the people them hear when me I say no, you know. Because you see some man I come chat up them out and make big chat. Right now, if you don't even want to come chat, say me poor bumbo, well, I want to make me poor, because I want to make work for I want to know. Pussy clot pay me. You hear me I say? So you can't come jack card for me. But poor. And when me there on you, me still never beg you nothing, brother. Anything where you give me, or where you give me half of your heart. I never say you never give me nothing in a life. Because you buy me one blood clot island grill, that I know nothing, a lyric business that I talk about. And if you buy me one suit, that I know nothing. Because if you are my boss, I'm here your par. And we go in one store, you say, Dan Mafia, take up that thing then. Me I take up yes, brother, me now go hype and go out, me bigger than me take something from here and I am a general. Remember say me I start par. Me never come in a studio, come look no help for anything, you know. Because I never grew on a blood clot in the studio yet, you know. A King Jam studio, I know about, you know. And Black Scarpe studio. and Junior read them studio and Sonic studio. I never go around the side then. Someone come back, me come hitch up at the studio and did that look hell. Me know one from me liquor. I'm a boss and turn big superstar. Me I do my own thing and me I DJ me own little song them and me I make me little money. Me fly go foreign for me own. Me get me own first class tickets. I'ma give me one little show. Me get me little envelope with me little 3,000 euros and me 5,000 or whatever I know people. I don't like me was a waste man in the music before me apart some man in I know some man make me know play you know. And me know play now for me own you know. And hotel and big life for me own and limousine you know. As DJ you know. See? Because I don't come laugh after me but me never have no mother. They me no blood clot talk that's everywhere me go. And you hear me ever come and contact like say me rich. And but me born rich. Me never born rich and you never born rich neither. All we are ghetto youth brethren. You see me? So me know how you can show up and we and go like I said. Show you big on your famous now you can't go and talk foolish about me. I'm a batty man because sit down and defend myself. No man can tell no lie for me brethren. And but you laugh after me but me couldn't find my mother. I mean couldn't find my mother. Me tell you say me grew without mama and papa. And me grew myself. And my friend them a Mandeville. Rich people grew me and me grew in a separation. First part of my life, me now want separation, me run with. Me go amongst utter them. See Lydia there, Lydia can't tell you. Me come and live up, me live up utter them yeah. And when me there run them the man there, I know work with them and they still give me money and take care of me. And give me big old clothes and big chain and we drive up and I'm gonna be a big bench. I'm there with the hottest set of girl them. I know man that the company there no fish. We not grow no fish. They want some boy come go and want to style up me thing. I want no blood clot and fish room up on the name for a long time. Don't come mix me up with no fish thing. No man have no secret for me. You see me I say my people. I'm there and I do my thing and me run with go town and go struggle up my thing in the music. Remember saying people. You talk about me go fully loaded go get boo you know. When me go fully loaded in a breading, I mash up the show, you know. And then show me go talk about baby sham. Some people start frowns and rare. And when you look now, Bounty Killer come on and one bag of passa. Me don't explain anything there every day. Me not shame for talk, brother. Anyway, me go and get boo. Me not shame a boo. Every DJ get boo. You get the biggest boo in a blood clot Jamaica. Remember that in a brother. And you get the biggest boo, Mandela boo, instead of a real icon. And you still going to turn one of the biggest superstar. Can I still respect you? And out of my heart, I still have love for you. Can I come like you have amnesia, you know, remember who rate you, and you know, remember who love you, or who dead for you. When your blood clot down, your friend them dead for you and help you, my youth. And when bumbo clot, fuck go on and people want to kill you. And me, bust my brain and write lyrics and carry from gear. And me and Bounty Killer save you. Remember that. Because Bounty Killer come from blood clot newspaper and media and say, boy, you know, think of you. See? And Carlin save you. Remember that Carlin put you up on that night. But me not fi call your name. Me not fi call your name. Because everybody know who me attack. See? And you talk about you go for liar. To bring for me. Go for liar and bring him come. And anytime you bring a liar come. And me and you end up in a court. Remember to blood clot. You could have not come out. Yeah? Because you must feel like man I idiot. Me have my documents them and me sit on my publishing company give me. Where right now me can blood clot send people in a problem. And true me no want send nobody in a problem. Because me can't take that something there. Alright, Simone baby, I'm gonna be calm. I'm calm, okay? I love you. Alright baby. Alright. So what I was saying, people, that was a commercial break. Big up pretty Simone. My baby over there. Alright, what am I asking people? See? Me that man know. Me no want, you don't know what a problem. And me no want this no man or nothing. Me just want people to deal me right, brother. You see me? Because you see, at 2020 now, and everybody a fight for them rights. You understand me, people? Everybody a fight for them rights. You see, black people are dead and them a march and a mash up the place for them rights. And when me talk, if me do an interview, and me talk my history, me not disrespect no man. Me talk when me go through, brother. Me talk the good and me talk the bad. Because me no walk and hide things on people. And go and like say, boy, you hear me? Me bigger than the people them. Me reason with the people them because I still have my back people. Without people, me I don't know nobody. You understand? And me love the people them. Being him and my friend for years. Me and him par and travel the world. I don't got problem me come from media and say, boy, certain dealings never right and me did that for those dealings. See? And true me leave on no beck. So I don't want blood clot do me things because I never want to do nothing, brother. Me no hate on or nothing up till now, me no hate on in my heart. Me still love you even though you come and you put me down and you class me and you say me a idiot. Me still have love for you, brother. Me still respect you. You see me? And you still me blood clot artist. And me not diss you personally like say, me the youth will hate you. Because me no carry hatred in my heart. Me no hate no DJ, brother. Me no hate no Bounty Killer. Me no bad mind no cartel. Stop tell lie for me. Bounty Killer my friend. But if me a par with you, I am Bounty in a problem. Me can't go like me I go friend up Bounty every minute and rare. I know some role, brother. A team thing. So if me a par with you, me hold. You see me I say? Cartel a good youth to my youth. Me never a bad mind. When me a bad mind, you talk about me rob 300,000. Me could have robbed money from one just attack that. 300,000 is what? 2,000 US. How much million on the woman to me sang them?
Well, alright then, Mafia done said it all. I mean, I feel like me need to add on nothing at all to that because the man done say in peace. What me I gonna do right now, me I gonna leave it up to Uno to talk to me down in the comment section and me know if Uno agree with the things that my Dan Mafia say. Also, do you think that Beenie Man should or should not respond? Let me hear your thoughts, your views and your opinion on that. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. I'm out.
Right now, you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable.